Hi, you're welcome here. I love seeing you here. Today we'll be talking about soap equipment that we can use to make our production easier and also of standard. Please, if this is your first time on my channel, please do well to subscribe, please like and also share this video to other soap makers. So come with me, let's jump right in. Let me show you the different equipment for soap. Okay, so this is a cooking pot. This is a cooking pot. You can see it has a burner attached underneath it. You can see, look at the innovation here. There is a burner already underneath it. You don't need to buy an additional burner. All you need to do is just connect your cylinder to it and then start cooking. It's 100 liter. It has the cover. It is stainless steel, 100% stainless. It is NAFDAC approved. It is NAFDAC approved. Look at the where you discharge your soap from after production. You can use this for hot process soap. You can also use it to rebatch your soap when you want to rebatch. Remember, there's a cooker underneath it, or there's a burner underneath it already. You don't need to. With this, you have saved the cost of burner and also the space that the burner would have occupied. You have saved it because this is like 2-in-1. It is a cooking pot with a burner attached underneath it. This is a working table. See how beautiful it is. A stainless steel, 100% stainless steel working table. See, it is detachable. Look at it. You can detach it. It makes movement easier. When you want to move from one location to another, you can just detach it so that it makes carrying it very, very easy. This is a mixer. It is 100 liters electric mixer. You can see the mixer inside of it. That is the electric motor. Just connect to electricity and you start mixing. Just carry go. Please subscribe to my channel. This is your first time on my channel, and please also like and share so that YouTube shows this video to more persons that need to see it. That is the discharge pot for the mixer. This mixer can be used for liquid soap, it can be used for bar soap, it can be used for anything you want to mix, be it air freshener, shampoo. That is the pot where you connect your gas cylinder to in your cooking pot, so you don't need to buy burner. Just connect your cylinder and start cooking. The innovation here is top notch. I love this pot. That is the discharge. This is a cutting table. Look at the blades. It is 100% stainless steel. Beautiful. It is also detachable. You can also detach it to make movement easier. Those are the blades, and this is the stamp. You can use it to cut whatever size of soap you want. This is our mixer in action, and these are other soap equipment. This is our measuring scale. You can work with that scale. This is our mold, silicone mold, the straight one. That is the cutter. This is an hydrometer. You know what it is used for. This is silicone molds of different types and different shapes, and that's our measuring cup. All about soap equipment today. This is our mixer in action. Mixing. You can see, you can use this to mix your liquid soap, to mix your Izal, to mix your air freshener, to mix your bar soap, to mix anything mixable. It makes your work easier. It makes your work standard. This is the pot where you connect your cylinder to, so that you just on it and the burner underneath it start cooking your soap. You don't need to buy any extra burner. This innovation, I love it. It is top notch. Please subscribe to my channel, I beg you. Please also like, please share so that YouTube shows to more persons. This is the tap where you discharge your soap from after production, and this is our working table being detached. You can see it. We are about to move it. This is going to Benin City, about to be delivered. You can see it being detached. So this makes movement easier, so you can go with it to wherever you want. We can deliver right at your doorsteps. We have all this equipment available. If you know you want anyone, just send me a WhatsApp message on the number showing right there and it will be delivered. These are all simple soap equipment. That's our measuring scale. This is our measuring cup. This is an hydrometer. One more time. Please like my video, please share my video, please subscribe, please. This is silicone mold. Beautiful. It comes in different shapes and different sizes.